Hey, it's Naturally TC coming at you with this lock retwist in style. This is my young client. She started her locks in November of last year. Actually, an area loctician by the name of Jerry Brown. She is a 561 Lock Lounge. She started her locks, and me and Jerry refer clients back and forth to each other, like stuff I can't do because since she is a licensed loctician, I send people to her for the hard stuff. But these retwists and even the starter locks, I got y'all. But some stuff, those big blocks that, you have to use like the crochet needle, or if you tighten up and stuff like that, yeah. And I haven't even tried to master using the crochet needle, but yeah, I just sent them to her, so she does amazing. I am using Main Life oil today, and as you see, I'm just putting it on her locks, and I'm also using wax that I think I'm going to show it. But you see how little bit I use? It's like a tiny smidge. Like I literally just tap my finger in the wax and then tighten the lock. I did not use aloe this time. I'm trying to go back and forth between the aloe and the wax for my clients, and even sometimes just using oil to retwist their locks, because it does just as well. I don't know, I just think that when I twist my locks, they're pretty sturdy. I don't have a lot of people that, complain that it doesn't last or anything like that. They pretty much stay, especially with the aloe. The aloe is like the best. I don't know why it kind of seals better than everything else, but that's what I enjoy twisting with. But I also like to use a little bit of this wax and oil to give a little bit more shine to the hair and nourish the hair. And you see how I'm pulling it through to the ends, so that it goes on the entire lock. So you go ahead and watch this video. I'm going to do the style too. I kind of tried to, what my idea was to put her hair in two ponytails, and for her to have a bang as well. So that's why I'm twisting these forward. I think Ariel is 9. I think she's 9 right now. So I have a couple of young clients that are deciding to lock up, and I think that's so cool for our little brown girls to want to wear their natural hair, and they're rocking it with no problem. Like, her hair has grown so much since she locked it, and she's doing really well with it. And you can see that her locks are already formed at just she had a little over a year, so that's pretty good. So watch the rest of the video. Make sure you are following me on Facebook and Instagram. I am Naturally TC. Also, like and subscribe, guys. Like and subscribe. I'm working on these videos and being more consistent. I think I'm gonna do Fridays and maybe Mondays. I'm not sure, but I'm looking at the algorithm and trying to decide which is best when y'all really watch these videos. But I really enjoyed this style, and I hope you do too. Please subscribe. Holla.